So hello everyone, let's make a quickly and short reviews about this unit. We're talking about intentional torts, unit 6, book 2. Okay, so like the last video, I'm playing the audio and to analyze all the concept, all the terms, all the definitions and vocabulary of this unit. So today's reading, we have Jetson and Lee, Torts Attorney at Law, like a legal firm advertisement. Estamos hablando de como un anuncio de un despacho jurídico, ¿verdad? Antes de empezar es importante recordar lo que vimos en las unidades pasadas. Civil law, the tort law. Do you remember what's a tort law? It's a law involved in getting compensation for a civil wrongdoing. And remember, if we're talking about compensation, we're talking about damages. And if we're talking about damages, we are talking about all the money a person receives for that wrongdoing, okay? So let's play the audio and analyze all the other concepts.
Torts attorneys at law. Have you recently been the injured party in an accident or in a case of misconduct? At Jetson & Lee, we fight hard for our clients. Civil litigation can be complicated. You need our team on your side before you begin a tort action. Recent successful...
So first, injured party, the affected party. In this case is the plaintiff. It's a person who files that complaint into court. La persona que se presenta a una corte, interpone una acción, ¿verdad? Estamos hablando de la parte afectada, the injured party. And then we have misconduct. It's equally to improper behavior. Una conducta inapropiada, ¿verdad? En este caso estamos hablando que es intencional. Civil litigation. Any legal case that is not criminal proceeding or administrative proceeding. And if we're talking about litigation, we're talking about dispute. Estamos hablando de litigio, estamos hablando entonces de que hay una confrontación, de que hay un problema, ¿verdad? And then we have a tort action. It's a civil lawsuit that seeks remedy for a wrongful act. And we have different type of that tort actions. Let's check it out in the audio.
Recent successful cases include defamation of character, damages $15,000. Harm to person, damages $50,000. Harm to property, damages $32,000. Auto accident, damages $40,000.
Okay, so these are the examples. First, of that tort actions. First, we have defamation, act of making untrue or damaging statements about another person, la difamación, ¿verdad? Then we have harm to person and harm to property. Physical injuries or wounds. Estamos hablando de heridas físicas, ¿verdad? Algún daño físico. Auto accident, so we know what's that. To finish, let's play the audio again and check all the other concepts.
Proving the intent. Was it deliberate or accidental? And what are you entitled to as a result? Allow us to put our 60 years of combined experience to work for you. You deserve the best legal representation. Jetson & Lee, Torts Attorneys at Law, 107 Main Street, Blue, Maryland, 01144, 1-800-TORT-LAW.
So remember, we're talking about intentional torts, deliberate, equally to intentional. So it's a short unit. We don't have trouble with all these definitions. Remember to answer all the exercises in your book 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to check it when we get back to class. Okay? All the doubt will be answered in the forums of our subject. Todas las dudas se van a estar contestando en los foros que voy a estar abriendo para cada una de las evidencias que vamos a estar haciendo. Cualquier duda, como quiera, les puedo subir material complementario.